Okay, so we're going to do another colour combination. This is Ocean and Spearmint. So starting with the Ocean, I'm going to ink up and then using the Spearmint and this time we're going to use the yellow ochre, turquoise and ultramarine in the Brushos. Starting with yellow ochre, just going to pop a bit out there, spritz, and picking that up and just sprinkling that over the top. Like so. Swiping that up, and then we're going to use our turquoise. Spritzing, and again just tapping that over the top. And then lastly the ultramarine. That beautiful deep blue. Just going to pop that around the edge there. Okay, just clearing that up and taking the multivarious card, we're going to pop that down over the top. Wow, look at that. Again, fantastic colours. Such a simple and effective way to achieve a background.